Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We are located in West Tennessee. Got a beautiful 2016 Ford F-150 Supercrew. As you can see, it's been fully customized. It's a Regency package. It's probably one of the best company out there as far as the conversion package. I've sold quite a few of them. High quality, just a good looking truck. This one has the towing package, backup camera, backup sensors, great sounding dual exhaust system. It's got the ARE color match fiberglass tonneau cover. Nice custom 18-inch wheels with the beadlock ring and a brand new set of tires. Got a decent looking thread on it and it's very quiet. Handles real good. Rides like a nice luxury vehicle. It's got the custom grille, got the bull bar, 20-inch LED light bar, fog lights, automatic lights. It's got the functional hood scoop. It actually takes cold air to the engine, so it's not just for looks. It's got some nice wheel flares, keep the dirt off the truck. Got a neat feature called remote engine start. You just lock it, push this twice and it cranks it right up. As you can see, it's got a great sound, not too crazy but just enough to let you know you got a V8. It is a one owner, clean Carfax, non-smoker. Southern truck, no rust, no mud, just like new. Got the keypad entry. How about these amp power step? Probably the best aftermarket power step you can get. And there's a light at night, so they light up. It's got LED lights. Look at this beautiful interior. It's got the nice white trim with the carbon fiber inserts. Got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power heated mirrors. Got dual power seat with lumbar support, high quality premium leather seats. They are heated, no sign of wear. It's got the all-weather floor mats, adjustable power pedal, automatic lights. There's your switch for your light bar, tilt. I just think it's a beautiful truck in here. Got all the white trim, just sets it off. About 30,000 miles. Very low miles. Got your trip computer. Got all your audio controls. Got AM, FM, CD, satellite, Sirius satellite radio. It's got Bluetooth for your phone and audio streaming. Cruise control. Factory navigation system. Shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive. This one also has the trailer assist package. Once you program all the parameter of your trailer, you can actually guide your trailer with this wheel here. It's pretty crazy, but you got to program the length and all the details on your trailer. But it's pretty cool once you get it set up. Got your outside temperature, backup camera. Got your apps, travel link. You have to subscribe to all this, but it's got the weather, fuel price, and so on. It's just like having the internet going down the road. There's your climate control. There's your automatic transmission with manual shift. You can upshift and downshift with this. Cup holders. Got a 110 and a 12 volt side by side, very handy. Some USB down here and another 12 volt. Interior is flawless. I mean, no scratch, nothing. There's your wheel lock. They've done this right. They even calibrated the speedometer. Since you changed the wheel speed, I mean the wheel size, it'll affect the speedometer. So all that's been programmed the right way. I have the extra key owner's manual. These steps really make it nice to get in and out. Lots of room back here. Same setup. You got the all-weather formats all across. Another 110 outlet and 12 volt. Some vents to keep everyone comfortable. These are the tie-down cargo system for the back. It does have power sliding rear glass. I guess I forgot to push the button, but this will slide back and forth with a button, and defrost. Also, this one had the original FX4 off-road package from Ford. Nice bed, like new condition. These toppers are nice. They're not cheap, but keep the weather out of it. You can lock it. No scratch, no dents. Where? Actually, there's one here. One little scratch on the bumper. But it's in really good shape. If it gets old, get power seat and lumbar support on passenger also. Guess I didn't pop the hood. And this one has the V8. You see a lot of these F150s now, they got the V6 turbo, which is a decent engine too, but sometimes people like the V8, so there it is. 5.0, pretty reliable engine, plenty of power, and decent fuel mileage. This one comes with the remainder of the factory warranty. I believe it's got till February of 2020 or 36,000 miles on the bumper to bumper, including the Regency package, because that's part of the deal with Ford. And also you've got 2022 of February or 60,000 miles on the powertrain. So plenty of warranty left. If you're looking for a sharp truck that's unique at an affordable price, see, the door here is not shut. This should do it. This truck here was over $73,000 new, which is crazy, but after you put all the stuff on it, that's what they come up with. So tremendous savings for just a light new truck. To see if this F-150 is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Great applications on the website. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. And in case you wonder, the MOAB is an acronym for Mother of All Bomb. I figure some people might wonder what that is, but that's what that is. Thank you for watching, and come and see us.